The launch of Reggae Sumfest took place last night at the Ibero-Star Hotel in Montego Bay. The event gave fans, artists and industry players a sneak peek of what to expect from the festival, which is dubbed the greatest reggae show on earth. Entertainment and Culture Minister Olivia Grange shared a partnership with Reggae Sumfest for the Jamaica 60th celebration, as well as the $50 million entertainment center in Montego Bay.
Now, you know, this year we celebrate Jamaica's Diamond Jubilee. And so Sumfest will be extra special. So this evening's launch is testament that the sector is not only awake, but is reasserting itself towards the national agenda of prosperity for all.
Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett shared details on Jamaica's economic recovery after 2 years of being under strict COVID-19 restrictions.
And reggae is at the heart of that experience. And we are excited about the recovery that is taking place. And Jamaica's recovery has been stellar in relation to the other areas of the Caribbean. And we are pleased that we are not only building back in terms of bringing visitors to Jamaica, but we are bringing back the quality and the excellence of the Jamaican experiences that have been driving Jamaica brand.
The night also featured energetic performances from Marcy Chin, Diani and Diaxter, who are all booked for the festival.
Buzz, buzz, who mad, you mad? Buzz, buzz.
It is obvious that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you. Baby, it is obvious that I'm in love with you, girl. Heart's been racing, I've been waiting just to see you.
At the launch, Sumfest head Joe Bogdanovich spoke about the return of the festival, which boasts a star-studded lineup of dancehall and reggae acts.
They were ready to welcome all our loyal fans, all reggae and dancehall enthusiasts, to Montego Bay between July 18th and the 23rd.
Organizers also revealed the 2022 flyers, which include week-long events leading up to the main shows. The event boasts the likes of dancehall artists Sizzla Kalonji, Dexter Daps, Spice, Idonia, Alkaline, Governor and Ding Dong. The lineup will also include Lali, Iwata and Chanel Muir. Reggae Sumfest is slated for July 18 to 23 in Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. The week-long festival includes a slew of parties and ends on a high with 2 nights of on-stage performances. Now, yesterday, news broke online that pop superstar and businesswoman Rihanna has welcomed a baby boy with rapper A$AP Rocky. Rihanna, who has been dating the rapper since 2020, announced back in February that the couple was expecting and reportedly welcomed the baby almost a week ago. The baby's name was not revealed. However, speculation started when Rihanna was spotted last Friday in Los Angeles. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.